Hello students, so welcome back to one more video of my channel Rishika Banerjee, and in this channel I make videos relating to the board exam syllabus. Okay, today I will be discussing you the syllabus of class 12 biology for the batch of 2022-2023. Clear? Here I will be telling you about what are the parts which are not there in your syllabus. So please open your book, and either you open your book and mark with me when I am writing, or do one thing, that is write with me, whichever way is helpful, because to know the syllabus is very important for us. Until and unless we know the syllabus, know what to study, you won't be able to properly study, right? So please see what are the deleted parts. Okay, so chapter number first deleted part, deleted topics. First is reproduction in organism is not there in your syllabus. Completely not there in your syllabus. Okay. First, this very important. Understand, reproduction in organism is not there in your syllabus. Next is strategies for enhancement in food production. Strategies for enhancement in food production. This chapter is completely not there in your syllabus. Okay. Chapter number 3, that is organism and population. Organism and population. Here few parts are not there. I'm just mentioning this. Please note this properly. 13.1 is not there in your syllabus. 13.1.2 is not there. 13.1.3 is not. Yeah, 3 is not there. 13.11 is not there. 13.13 is not there. These are the few things which are not there in your syllabus. Clear? Understood? Okay, so mentioning you the topic here also. So this part which are not there, let me just mention, it will be easier for you people. Organism and its environment. And its environment. One is this one, okay? This one is response to abiotic conditions. This one is major abiotic factors. Okay. And this one is adaptation. Clear? Now come to the next part, the next chapter which is not there is ecosystem. The portions which are not there in ecosystem are 14.6 ecological succession. Next is 14.7.1 ecosystem. Carbon cycle is not there, which was one of the difficult topics. Carbon cycle. Okay. Next is nutrient cycle is also not there. Nutrient cycling is also not there in your syllabus. Understand? Phosphorus cycle is not there. Understand? These things are not there. And 14.8, that is ecosystem, is also not there in your syllabus. Ecosystem part is also not there. Next is fifth one is environmental issues. Environmental issues. This chapter is only not there in your syllabus. So these are the portions which are not there in your syllabus. Let me just summarize this for you, which will be helpful for you. First thing you have to remember, that is the part known as reproduction in organism is completely not there in your syllabus. This marking is wrong. This is not there in your syllabus. Strategies for enhancement in food production, this is completely not there. Please mark these chapters as wrong. Organisms and population, this portion is organism and population environment, responses to abiotic, major abiotic factors and adaptation. This is not there. In ecosystem chapter students, ecological succession is not there, carbon cycle is not there, nutrient cycle is not there, phosphorus cycle is not there, and 14.81 is also not there in your syllabus. Okay, please mark it properly. In environmental issues, whole chapter is not there in your syllabus. Okay, except these, all things that are there will be there in your syllabus. Everything except this. Clear? Here this chapter completely not there, this completely not there, this completely. In these two chapters, these portions are only reduced. Okay, during our time when I was studying, carbon cycle, nutrient cycle was supposed to be most difficult topics, and those things are only not there. So it's good for you people, because these are not easy. If you open your book, you will see the cycle. If you see complete cycle, it's not easy for you to remember. So this is your board exam CBSE syllabus. Please go through this nicely. Please take a screenshot of this. I've explained it in a proper way. This is I have taken from CBSE website itself. Very nicely I have tried to explain. Please mark this properly in your book, chapter wise as well as topic wise, or write this in a page properly. So thank you so much students. Ending this video here. Hoping that you've understood this. Meeting you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe as much as you can, and share this to the people. Thank you so much. Ending this video here. Thank you. Meet you all in the next video.